So my friends, here we are again, today on a different place. We're also training a little bit, but doing the next tutorial is backwards flying. Backwards flying. So after you do a yaw spin, which we did last time, I see somebody with a dog. So what we did with the yaw spin, if you make a 180 yaw spin, you go actually backwards. And what you do is you pitch back just a tiny bit. And this depends also on your he's gone. This depends also, of course, again on your camera angle. I've got 15 degrees, which is really low, and the lower your camera is, it's more easy to fly backwards. All right, it's a little bit windy, so I hope you can hear me. And it's also wet. All right, so backwards flying. We did the yaw spin. So you just make the 180 turn. I pitch just a little bit back. Keep the throttle going, of course. .180 yaw. Pitch a little bit backwards. There you go. .180 yaw. Just a tiny bit, keep your throttle going. So the lower your camera is, the more easy it is to fly backwards. Otherwise you have to pitch a lot to go backwards, and then you only see the sky. So anyway, got attacked by a dog, and so that's it. The dog is attacking everybody. Anyway, so backwards flying, it's your pitch, and the lower your camera angle is, the easier it is, the less you have to pitch backwards. And if you have to pitch backwards a lot, you will go and see the sky. Back to training. See you next time, guys.